Hello, Mr. Aiman. Please have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. How are you doing?
I'm doing really well. It's such a nice day out there.
It is. It was perfect weather all weekend.
It was.
Where are you from?
I'm from Alostar, Kedah. How about you?
I'm from Malacca.
Oh, such a nice place to live.
Yes, it is. How do you get here this morning?
I get here by car. The traffic was not really good, but thank God I managed to arrive here on time. I am really thankful that I get out early in the morning. If not, I wouldn't be able to make it on time.
Oh yeah, I heard about that. The traffic was really bad this morning. I'm happy that you could make it on time. So, I have received your application for the position as design engineer. For a start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Mr. Kairuz, and I would like to welcome you to this interview. To begin with, can you please briefly introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is AIMAN ARIEF bin ABDUL GHAFAR, and I am 24 years old. I studied at Islamic Science University of Malaysia, USIM, and graduated in September 2018 with a degree in electronic engineering. Throughout my 4-year study in USIM, I have mastered the basic knowledge of logic design, which I think is really needed for this position. I am also quite excelled in ICT skills such as Words, PowerPoint, and other skills like Photoshop, Python, and Java. During my 3rd year in USIM, I have my internship at Intel Kulim. There, I have learned a lot about design engineering as the seniors taught me a lot about it. I also get a valuable practical experience from there. In addition, I am fluent in English and Malay.
That's great. Can you tell me what do you know about this company?
Sure. Schneider Electric is a very well-known company. It has around 142,000 employees worldwide. The company has produced a lot of popular products. Some of them are push buttons, switches, pilot lights, and joysticks. I am also aware that this company has won a lot of awards and recognition. One of them is World's Most Ethical Companies for 7 consecutive times, which I think is very impressive.
What attracts you to apply for the position?
I think that my knowledge in uninterrupted power system design, UPS, as well as some practical experience during my internship makes me an excellent match for the job requirement. Also, the role excites me because I love the idea of working in a team and leading the team in design system according to the customer's specifications. And I think that I can start delivering the results from day one.
Oh, I see. What do you learn in university and how can you relate that to the position that you apply here?
As I said earlier, I have a degree in electronic engineering, which is really related to this position as a design engineer. During my 4-year study in that field, I have mastered subject logic design, and also I have the basic knowledge about uninterrupted power system UPS, as I learned about it during my internship time.
Oh, so what do you know about this field?
Basically, a person that works in this field is called a design engineer. Design engineers tend to work on products and systems that involve adapting and using complex scientific and mathematical techniques. They usually work with a team of engineers and other designers to develop conceptual and detailed designs that ensure a product actually functions, performs, and is fit for its purpose.
Oh, so what is your greatest strength?
I think my greatest strength is as a multicultural person, as I have the ability to work in an international and multicultural environment. Because, for example, in USIM, we have international students from around the world, which I have befriended with a lot of them. And I have also even worked with them in a team for my final year project. Plus, my strong language skills in English helps me a lot to work with them. Besides, I also have strong communication skills as I feel just so comfortable presenting my final year project.
Okay, may I know what is your greatest weakness?
Well, nobody's perfect. I definitely get impatient with team members when they make mistakes, but I have learned over the past that it is more effective way to approach those team members with a professional attitude rather than just jump into conclusion about who's to blame and the cause of the problem. Yes, it doesn't come naturally to me, but I think the blame game is just a waste of time, and it is better to focus on somewhere else.
That's very good. How do you think you can contribute to this company?
I can contribute my ability to handle projects as I have a very strong communication skills and leadership qualities. For example, I was the president of futsal club during my university years, and I have managed to handle our final year project for the club, which is organizing a futsal tournament for Sports Festival 2016. I would love to deliver the skills to this job at your company.
Oh, okay. Where do you see yourself in 5 years time later?
In 5 years, I would like to be a part of a company growing its business in a regular and consistent basis. Also, I'm looking for a role in a company that I can grow with and continue to take new challenges. And beyond that, I am not too hungry about titles, but I know that I want to take more management responsibility and ultimately step into product leadership decision.
Wow, so amazing. Why should we hire you?
Well, I could say that I have all the skills your company is looking for, such as I am fluent in English, have strong communication skills that helps me handle projects. Plus, I'm also passionate about this industry, and therefore I'm very driven to deliver high quality work. I also pretty sure that I will fit in beautifully and be a great addition to the team.
Okay. What kind of salary are you looking for?
My salary expectations are in line with my qualifications. Well, I'm a fresh graduate, so I have no experience yet. Therefore, I expect to be paid based on my qualification.
So, Mr. Aiman, I am afraid this is all the time we have. Before we end the interview, do you have any question for me?
Yes, I have a question. Does this company provide training for new staff, especially freshers like me?
How about that? Yes, we will provide some training for our new staff to make sure they are ready to serve for this company.
That's helpful. I'm glad to hear that.
That's great. Thank you very much, Mr. Aiman. The company will be in touch with you later with any updates regarding this interview. Until then, have a nice day and thank you again.
My pleasure. Have a nice day too.